Hey you guys, what's up? It's Chevy Boy back on the channel here. We're back in Future Fight like we are most mornings. I got something to ask you guys. What do you guys want to see, um, like from this channel? Like what kind of, what I mean is like, what kind of, content? Like, do you want to keep seeing my Future Fight series and stuff? Do you want to see like my Real Racing 3 stuff come back? Like, I don't know what you guys want to see. And I've been wondering that actually quite a bit. Songbird, yeah. And I am like, I'm wondering that. Yeah, so I got till tomorrow. Um, just wondering. Because I mean, you know, if I'm not making content that you guys don't want to watch, then, you know, I feel like, oh nice, black antimatter. And I get a 30 baht, what? Okay. Alright, I will. I can get there. I can deal with that. But no, like, what do you guys want to see? Because I'm being serious here, because, like, I want to know what you guys are interested in when it comes to my channel, you know? Because I can put Real Racing 3 back on the channel, and, you know, keep going with it. I can, it's just a matter of, you know, like, the connection speed and things, you know, that kind of stuff. And before, when my channel was limited to like the amount of time I could have per video, that was part of my problem, you know, was the fact that I was just kind of stuck, and I'm like, well, what do I do? You know, I wasn't sure what to do, because I felt like I was stuck, and, you know, I had no idea. I just wasn't sure, you know. So, yeah, what do you guys want to see? I mean, you guys are the ones watching this stuff, you know. And I feel like if I don't ask you guys what you want to see, and what the, you guys saw that, right? That was 3 in one shot. That was crazy. 3 biometrics for Venom in one shot. That's nuts. But yeah, no. You guys, let me know what you guys want, because if I don't know what y'all want, then, you know, you guys are probably gonna look elsewhere for content and things. Which, yeah, you know, it's whatever, but like, I want to, you know, I want you guys to enjoy it, so let me know. Hulkling, nah, I don't really use him much. You can do Red Hulk, like 0 biometrics for him. Activates once conditions are met, remains for the duration of the battle. Reactivates after the conditions are met. What conditions? Wow. So he basically burns himself out. That sucks. That really sucks. Max level of basic stats. 9 grand. Okay. What about this guy? Yeah, 12 grand. See, Venom, he's a pretty buff dude. Ghost Rider's right up there with Venom. Ghost Rider. Oh, Moon Knight, really? Okay. 10 grand. 9. Hulkbuster's pretty buff. Alright, I'll use it on him. I mean, I don't care. Probably just wasted it, but yeah, I wasted it. Oh well. I can always throw more at Ghost Rider and Venom in the off time, you know, and things, so. Oop. No. You know what? Nah. Sorry guys, I'm just rambling to myself right now. Just rambling. So it's combat type only, okay. What does this one do? Law of the jungle, yeah. So. You know, I noticed that, like, I was looking through my videos and stuff, and for the most part, like, I think you guys mostly enjoy, like, my Future Fight stuff. I don't know, but, like, the Road Racing 3 stuff gets a lot of attention, too. Like, newer games that I put up, I try out, you know, put a few episodes up. It doesn't necessarily seem to get the same amount of attention, but it's fine, you know. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. No, I gotta remember how high up I can have this so that you guys can still hear me. I apologize for the episode yesterday with, the episode 2 of my Fast and Furious my Fast and Furious, Legacy, you know, gameplay, where it ended up being that the audio is like, my voice was too loud because I had the microphone too close to my mouth. I apologize for that. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna die pretty soon. She's holding her own though. She made it almost 2,000, so that's not too bad. Come on, Venom, you got this. Come on. Oh. Kill them all, Carnage. Oh man, he's at like 14 grand. Alright, Frost Beast, let's go. Okay, he's dead. Oh man, that's ought to be good. Alright. Oh shoot, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I knew Carnage was dead pretty quick. 33,000 though, that's not bad. It's nothing to sneeze at, but oh man, no, that was nothing to sneeze at. I don't know why, like I think I'm gonna upload my videos later in the day. Just because of the fact that I have a funny feeling, you know, the people that watch my stuff, they're not, you know, they're not the type to just sit on their butts and do nothing kind of thing. You know, you guys have lives and things, so I think I might end up doing that. Actually, you know, catering to you guys and your time schedules and things. Wiccan, might as well. I didn't use him that much. Whoops, no, not Iron Man. I'm not gonna use him. Now, her, on the other hand, will bump up. Sonic Shield, what does that do? Apply to self, guard hits for 5 secs. 5 secs. I did not mean that. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Ugh. Can't believe I said that. But you guys know what I meant. Don't you? That was not supposed to be that way. That was not supposed to be taken that way. Sorry. I apologize. Sonic Shield. Yeah, okay. Alright. I don't know why I said that. I feel so stupid. I really do. I feel dumb for saying that. Mission daily. Taking on Doc Ock. This ought to be good. Especially with her new ability. Yeah. Oh man. This ought to be good. Good way to test it out. Because it's a level 30, so. But I have the attribute advantage. I have the attribute advantage, so that's not bad. What the heck? Oh, I got you. That's how that works. She like shoots out an array of. I think most of her attacks are like supposed to just be for guarding and things. I don't think she has any actual power. I mean, her stats look pretty nice and her abilities look cool, but I don't feel like, you know. Oh, okay, so it's a shield. Well, that's kind of dumb. It guards her against damage for 5 seconds. Whoopity-doo. You know, I mean, she looks cool, you know, and her premise is cool, but like, I mean, really, you know, I don't know, I guess I expect more out of a Marvel character, but whatever. Like, out of a character even if I don't know them. Expect them to be at least kind of cool, you know. Whatever though, it's not always a requirement. I did that without even trying. Oh, are you what are you playing at? Seriously? Venom's dead, Spider-Man's dead, and Ghost Rider's dead. I mean, Venom, all I gotta do is look at him and he runs away to his mama. See? Yeah. He only landed like $1,000 worth of damage, $1,100 worth of damage on me. I mean, that was pathetic. That was bad. That was bad. Okay. Alright, I'll do a story mission though. Oh, the Ghost Rider mission is next, okay. Alright. Okay. Shoot, I think I did that wrong. I think I would have needed my Venom and my freaking Carnage, but no, I didn't. I didn't think about it. Partially just because of the fact that, oh no. How do you dodge that, dude? Oh, okay, that little drop came. How do you die? Or how do you die? How do you not die, man? Come on. That's so stupid. How do you not die from that garbage? Yeah, no, see that I can take. I'm taking a beating though. Oh shoot, I forgot. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was a tough go. That was a tough round. That would have killed me for sure. That should have killed me. It really should have. I don't know why it didn't, but it didn't. That was Blade, Ghost Rider, and the Punisher all teamed up together. And guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to take Mr. Ghost Rider and put him in place of Songbird. Well, I don't know. I might do Carnage actually. Well, no. The Ghost Rider's fine. The burn effect will kill off pretty much anybody, so that should be fine. I'll do this one more story mission. No, the story missions after this, some of them are easy. The end ones are a pain Like, a lot. Oh no, the Hulk, really? Alright, fine. Yeah, no, I'm just kind of wiping out the hand. How does it miss that guy? Oh, yesterday I was doing a mission, just for the heck of it, and I ended up killing Bullseye and made him like face through a wall. Like, it was on one of these rooftops, and I killed him. Oh, that's awesome. And I literally made him face through a wall, like his death animation, you know, where he falls over. He, not even kidding you, quite literally faced through that wall. It's pretty funny, because all you see is his head literally go through the concrete or whatever. It's just kind of hilarious. Can I do it? No, I can't do it. Crap. No. Nope, Ghost Rider's dead. No, I need Carnage in this. Shut up. Go away. Alright, I need Carnage. He's the only one that can help me with this. He's really the only one I can have on my team. But, I'll save that for next episode. So, but in the meantime, guys, you know, like I said, let me know what you want me to do. So, like, what you guys want to see in my videos, you know, what videos you want me to continue doing and such. But in the meantime, this is Chevy Boy signing out. Peace, y'all.